Very fast man. The man is very fast. He weighs 500 pounds, 277 kilos. When he walks, he always gets tired. The very fast man wants to lose weight. In fact, his doctor tells him, "You must lose weight or you will die." The fast man is killer. He doesn't want to die, so he starts a diet. For 1 month, he eats only grass. Of course, the grass tastes terrible, but the man really wants to lose weight. After 1 month, he is still very fat. He doesn't lose any weight, not 1 pound. The fat man is frustrated. He decides to exercise. Every day, he walks 12 miles, 20 kilometers. Every day, he is very tired. In fact, he is exhausted. But after 1 month, the man is still very fat. Oh no! He is extremely frustrated. He decides to give up. He goes to a restaurant. He wants to eat everything because he is so frustrated. At the restaurant, he meets a beautiful woman. She likes him. He likes her. They begin to date. Every day, the woman cooks healthy food for the fat man. His new girlfriend makes a difference in his life. The fat man loses weight. After 6 months, he weighs only 170 pounds, 77 kilos. He is thin and he has a wonderful girlfriend. The man is thrilled. The man and his girlfriend are both rich and they are very happy. Thank you for watching.